gon' be through my rounds, through every up, every down. I'm calling on my savior. I got you direct, I connect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time, and I'm talking 6 months, long time, since I created a video on here. Life has just been getting to me, really. That's all I can really say. I have been working multiple jobs this summer. I've been going on trips. I've had weddings to go to, just like multiple obligations, and content creation has been put on the back burner, unfortunately. I really miss it, so this is my return back to creating content, back to YouTube, and I am very excited to see where this goes. And if you are someone who is also struggling with juggling multiple things but really want to get back into content creation, stick with me, boo, because we're going to figure this out together. We are going to get through this. So, today's vlog, we are going to be getting ready for work for my second job, which is at a golf course. I am a beverage card girl. So we are going to be getting ready for that. And yeah, I'm going to take you with me throughout my day. All right, I have to go. Gosh, I hate being one of those girls that are just like, hey guys, I'm going to record a quick video, but I'm running really late, so get ready with me in like 10 minutes. I love those videos, but like it stresses me out, and here I am doing it and I'm getting stressed out.
Gas on me, so I'm driving home. Got music playing in the background with the windows down. It's about 17.
So one of the reasons why I wanted to get into the bev cart industry, like the golf industry, why I applied to be a part-time beverage cart girl was, one, because I needed a little extra cash, but two, I also wanted something unrelated to healthcare. As a respiratory therapist, like, it can be very stressful at times. Not many people know what a respiratory therapist is. I could kind of talk about that another time. However, you work in the hospital, you work 12-hour shifts. Just as a nurse, I'm working in critical units, and it can just be very stressful. And so I have 4 days off a week. It's summertime. I have vacations going on, places I need to go, and these things cost money, and so I needed just another source of income. And I've always wanted to be a bev cart girl. They pop up on my For You page all the time. I'm obsessed with their videos. It seems so fun. The girls seem so energetic. Sometimes, things could get a little carried away with the golfers, but like, that's no problem for me. Like, I know how to handle myself. I was just very excited. I mentioned it last year. I kept telling my coworkers I really want to be a bev cart girl. I really want to be a bev cart girl. And next year, here I am. And I really feel like that has something to do with manifestation. Manifestation is real, guys. Like, I really think it's real. If you want something, you say it out loud, and then you go for it and you do it. And that's exactly what I did.
Days and the bad days, I choose to call Yahweh. On the good days, bad day, you're still Yahweh. You're still Yahweh. You're still Yahweh. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're still Yahweh. It's result. No more broken hearts, no more. No more broken. No more.
So I am home from work and about to do a quick workout. I just kind of wanted to talk about where I really want to go from here. It's been a little bit difficult for me to stay consistent in the gym. Life was really getting to me, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. It's really hard to prioritize working out while working 2 jobs and staying on top of other things at home and other personal things I have going on. So here I am just trying to show up for myself, and even if that means I have to do a quick workout at home, that's what I'm going to do.
Rush, be still. Gotta give it to you when it feels. Shawty, give it extra. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends feel pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like your pedal.
And I feel like that's something I really want to be honest about on this channel. I don't have a perfect life. I don't think anybody has a perfect life. It's not well balanced. I don't get up at 4 a.m. to do my workout, go to Pilates, clock into work. It's just not how my life is right now, and it's very hard to fit things I enjoy doing into my busy schedule, especially this summer. So I just want everyone to know that it's okay if things don't end up perfectly. As long as you're able to still meet your goals, you should be able to achieve whatever you want to do.
I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this.
Some days I will say I am completely motivated to hop out of bed, get a good workout in, go to the grocery store, take my dog for a walk. Maybe I have a shift at noon. I go pick up a shift, whatever it may be. And there are some days where I absolutely do not want to put in the time or effort to go to the gym. But I just know that moving my body is one of the greatest blessings that I have. And I will continue to do whatever it takes to try to show up for myself, no matter what it looks like, whatever time it is. I do my best to put my best foot forward and show up 100%. But I just know it can be very hard some days and very stressful trying to fit it all in one day, 24 hours.
I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in your blood, demons can't come in. You turned it all around when life looks severe. In my heart, I know that you're always here. I need all your love. I need all your love.
I need it, Lord, I need it. And when I found it, I knew I'd keep it. You're the realest, never sleeping. Always got me, even when I'm dreaming. I'm preaching to the people you're feeding. In the morning until the evening, making sure that your children are breathing.
And honestly, I could say the same thing about content creation. Me not being fully consistent in it, mostly due to the fact because I was getting overwhelmed, not sure what I should and shouldn't post, not knowing if people are actually enjoying or watching my content, instead of just posting consistently because I wanted to, because it's fun to show other people what it really looks like in a non-influencer life, working 2 jobs and trying to balance it all. Alright guys, so you just saw me work out, and I am going to finish meal prepping for the week. I made some sloppy joe the other night with some ground turkey, so that's kind of like my main dish. And right now I'm just gonna make a cucumber salad and something else, maybe, possibly, but yeah, my cucumber salad. So good. I had it the other day and I'm just gonna remake that again.
Disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in the blood, demons can't come near. You turned it all around when life looks severe. In my heart, I know that you're always here. I need all your love. I need all your love. How to get my mind right, how to get my soul right, set my soul in a fight. Please just have some patience with me. Please just have some patience with me. I'm just trying to right my wrongs, trying to right my wrongs, trying to right my wrongs with you. All the times that I pushed you aside, you still pulled up on my side, and I had no one by my side. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. You might not make sense yet. It's gonna take some time. I've been focused on the grind. Made some idols in my life. Yeah, gotta break free, gotta break free. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. All I'm asking for is some patience. I don't recall being pretty, but when I called out you heard me. And my heart was so dirty. You said was me, you said was me. Let me come up to it, let me take it back to that. And I thought my goodness, I can see what she says. Cause I stood my life for God. Let me come up to it, let me take it back to that. But you make me wanna sing in my head register. I don't wanna know about you, sir. Since you're only trying to save me, I'ma do the most to make them see. You're the one who keeps me on my feet, yeah. On my feet, I feel your glory, yeah. No defeat, only victories, yeah. I don't recall being worthy, but when I called out you heard me. And my heart was so dirty. You said was me. Let me come up to it, let me take it back to that. And I thought my goodness, I can see what she says. Cause I stood my life for God. Let me come up to it, let me take it back to that. Baby, come up over. Baby, come up over. Baby, come up over. You make me wanna sing in my life to stay. Make me wanna know about you, say. Say you said just to save me, just that I'm gonna make him see. You're the one that keeps me on my feet. On my feet, I feel your glory, yeah. No defeat, only victories, yeah. I don't recall being worthy, but when I called out you heard me. And my heart was so dirty. You said was me. Let me come up to it. And I thought my goodness. Let me come up to it, let me take it back to that. And I thought my goodness, I can see what she says. Cause I stood my life for God. Baby, come up over. Baby, come up over. Baby, come up over. Look at me, I've been running around. Trying to stay useful, but I keep stepping down. Songs I'll never finish, taking an opinion. I'm not as stressed as I need to focus now. I'm trying to make this work now. Jesus Christ, the star of the show. There's no other king, and I want him to know that he is my everything. Trying to put in words for the kingdom. Human recognition, I don't need that. I need them to know that it's freedom.
Alright guys, I think that is it for this video. If you like what you saw, please don't be afraid to come back next week. And we are going to continue our content creating journey here on this channel. Bye.